Welcome to BrandBytes, my low-calorie, high-impact brand strategy appetizers by me, Suzanne Tulien, brand clarity expert with Brand Ascension. If you keep experiencing barriers of some kind at work, in your family, with your friends, or in your community relationships, you may be out of alignment with who you are. This BrandByte number 11 is about recognizing and aligning with your unique personal brand. Every once in a while, the flow of our lives gets obstructed by certain events or unexpected situations that cause our life flow to derail. Getting into a more conscious, strategic, and deliberate alignment with ourselves could be the catalyst to resuming the flow faster. So, what is personal brand alignment? It is the ability to center or orient yourself to what you know to be true about you. Becoming more internally driven, so to speak, versus externally affected. This has to do with becoming regularly conscious about taking the driver's seat in your life and following your personal roadmap instead of sitting on the sidelines of the highway, watching things go by outside of yourself and affecting you in unwanted ways. How is this alignment achieved? By thoroughly identifying and defining or naming what elements make up your unique personal brand. By asking yourself some deep questions like, what is it that drives my thoughts and beliefs? Is it my heart or my head? And what are my core values that lean me towards a certain direction in life and the world that I actually live in? And what is guiding me to make certain daily decisions that help or hinder myself being aligned with who I am? Yes, these questions need to be answered at the deepest level in order to be truly helpful in your transformation. Then you can align yourself by creating the structures in your environments that enable you to thrive through those attributes and within your relational matrix that you have built with others. Sometimes it requires you to up-level your relationships, your careers, your mindset, all for the sake of aligning with your personality and your purpose. So being in alignment with your personal brand means less friction, more flow, less drama, more ease, less insecurity, more confidence. The people around you, including your customers and prospects, will also notice the alignment and trust and advocate for you more. It really does happen that way. So where do you begin, you ask? Ignite Your Personal Brand Presence is an online program for solo professionals, business owners, consultants, executives, and those simply wanting to self-actualize and live their potential. It's a step-by-step private or mastermind group to help you align personally to your purpose and live your potential. Well, there you have it. This is my BrandByte for this time. I hope you didn't get too full. And for more information on this step-by-step personal brand development process and my book, Brand DNA, or a brand breakthrough assessment session with me, go to brandascension.com. And remember, everything you do contributes to or takes away from the value of your brand. Thanks for elevating conscious branding in business.